Tutulog na lang ako.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to another LAM CAA assessment. Still on TCM Foundations. We are now on week 5. We talk about the yin organs, mastery of the so-called Zhang or the yin organs. Let's call on Mom Trix Guevara. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Okay, can you tell us the functions of the yin organs, the general functions?
General functions are the type of chi governed, tissue it controls, place where it manifests, spiritual aspect housed, emotion, sense organ into which it opens, fluid it controls.
Okay, very good. So you mentioned something about generation, production. Okay, so they also transform, just like the spleen, diba? Transforms and transport, regulates, they store, and they are solid in shape. They also need to be filled, no? Kasi
And empty.
yeah, and then they are located interiorly. Yun. Very good. Now let's talk about the interior-exterior organ relationship. This is quite important because in actual practice or when you do diagnosis, no, when we talk about the lungs and when that zang becomes more young, we're already talking about the large intestine. So, yun. Okay, the same thing with the liver. So when the liver is supposed to be more yin than yang. However, if the situation is now more young, so we're actually talking about the gallbladder. Okay, so you need to tell us the interior-exterior organ relationship.
Relationship.
Yes.
It's the study of the physiological functions of the body,
Mhm.
physiological changes and interrelationships of the internal organs in the human body
Okay.
through the observation of human physiopathological conditions.
Okay. So when you talk about the spleen, you will be talking about the partner
Stomach,
as well, no?
the stomach.
Yeah, the stomach. Wait lang ha. May nag-echo. Yeah, okay. And then liver, the exterior component is the gallbladder.
Gallbladder,
So for the kidneys, we have the
uh,
Bladder.
bladder,
okay, for the heart,
its small intestine,
lungs,
large intestine,
pericardium.
triple Werner or Sanjiao.
Okay, actually, we rarely discuss patterns for the pericardium and triple burner because these are actually
Part of the
organs
heart.
that are affected via the heart and the small
Yes.
intestine, no? So the same thing, when you talk about the small intestine, if you have a small intestine is more yang than yin. So
Yin.
pag nabawasan na yung yang ng SI, it's more of heart na siya, more yin. So the same thing with the pulse, no? So pag masyado siyang mabilis, like the heart pulse, SI na yung pinag-uusapan. Okay? Okay, can you tell us the role of the heart as a yin organ? I don't know if we have the same reference, but we always refer to the heart as we always give this designation to the heart.
The emperor, monarch, or ruler
Yes, very good. Of the internal
of the
organ.
internal organs.
Okay, some ano lang ha, some facts lang or trivia, whatever. Before all the emotions have their own corresponding organs. However, when these emotions are so persistent, so intense, or very chronic, they eventually affect the heart. No? So before maapektuhan ng heart, being the ruler or the monarch or the emperor, yung mga organs muna ang sasangga. You get, okay, example,
Mm.
the liver first. If you're angry, especially when the anger is suppressed, no? Before the heart gets affected, it will have to be, absorbed by the liver.
Sure.
Kapag nagkaroon na siya ng grabe na, no, hindi na siya yin, naging
Yeah.
yang na. Okay, so alam naman natin that the liver is the mother of the heart. So eventually the heart gets affected. Okay. Okay, so can you tell us the TCM functions of the heart?
It
Okay.
governs the blood, controls the blood vessels, manifests in the complexion,
Mhm.
houses the mind shen, opens into the tongue, controls sweat and related to joy.
Okay, very good. So you mentioned about the heart governing the blood, no? And so the heart embraces the spirit because we consider the spirit or the Shen or the
And
mind as having the heart as residence and memories. Memories dito, ito yung mga long term. Kaya 'di ba? Like when you get to remember things nung medyo matagal-tagal na,
yes,
medyo
the past
tibok-tibok.
events, the past.
Yeah, that's long-term memory. The problem is when you don't get to remember anymore. No? So may heart imbalance ka na. Okay. And another thing, it houses the mind or the Shen, no? That's why people who can hardly sleep, no? Or they can sleep but they keep on waking up. May konting issue po ang heart, no? So that means the yin or the blood of the heart is deficient. So for the Shen kasi, for the mind to have a home, it has kailangan the heart should have ample blood supply. You know what I mean? So one telltale sign is ang hirap mong makatulog. Kahit pagod ka na, it takes 2, 3 hours for you to get to sleep. That is very, very concerning, no? So that means walang bahay yung shen mo, so you become restless. You tend to indulge in so many things. Okay? Nagki-craving ka, yung mga ganon. Um, Now, for the heart, it's so easy. When it comes to patients, you just have to look at the complexion. So pag masyadong pula yung mukha niya, so alam mo na kaagad na young yung heart, yung fat,
Mhm.
no?
Pag fail, it's in.
Yeah, at saka what did you notice, Miss Trix, yung mga taong like yung inatake sa puso, what did you notice about the way they talk? Or sometimes, di ba, they have,
In parang ano,
yeah, so
hindi sila,
nagsislur yung speech.
nagsaslur, yan.
Yeah. Minsan hindi na makasalita, no? They cannot communicate and sometimes the tongue is deviated. Pag na-stroke, usually deviated siya. And the young organ we all know is the small intestine. Now let's go to the liver. Can you tell us uh, anything about the
Location,
liver, including the location?
uh, located in the upper right-hand portion of the abdominal cavity, beneath the diaphragm, and on top of the stomach, right kidney and intestines.
Wow, very complete. So, ano naman yung trivia mo about the
The,
liver?
the function stores blood, ensures the smooth flow of qi,
Hmm.
controls the sinews, manifests in the nails, opens into the eyes, controls tears, houses the ethereal soul, and affected by anger.
Okay, the Hun. Um, the liver is actually called the army general. So when it comes to office or designation, no?
Armrest.
So it's the planner, okay? It plans body function, ensuring smooth flow and proper direction, okay? And kaya pag
Helps make
medyo,
decisions.
yes. No, decision making is more on the gallbladder. But again, that's still
Okay.
related to the liver. Meron namang iba kasi they're good planners, but they cannot design.
Right.
Walang implementation. And the origin ito of courage, meaning you're sticking to your plan and then planning our lives. So if you are a person na wala ng plano,
Kapag courage, Doc, it's gallbladder.
yes, yeah. Kaya yung mga, kaya nga sabi ko nga kanina, when you talk about the gallbladder, you're also referring to the liver, no? So it's all about sticking to your plan, yun, and planning our lives. So if the time comes na you don't care anymore about tomorrow, then that's very concerning, no? So medyo hindi na maganda yung buhay natin
No?
pag gano'n. Okay.
Yeah.
Function.
Oh,
Use of the word.
Aside from ensuring, I think you mentioned it
yeah,
already.
measure the function.
Yeah, so we'll just add lang, no? Controls your sinews.
The
Sinews, ito yung
tendon.
ligaments, yung tendons natin. Kaya pag sumisikip na yan, so the only way to treat that is through the liver. And kung sa heart naman, we look at the complexion. If you want to determine the liver function, all we have to do is look at the nails. So anong
Nail.
natin sa nails? Aside from the health of the appearance of the nails, kailangan kasi hindi patay ang nails. No? At the same time, wala siyang mga ridges. At saka, yung, yung parang white dyan, we call it the lunula, dapat ang
Lumen.
So of course,
Mm.
mas marami siya pag sa thumb. And then I've seen people na wala na talagang lunula kahit yung thumb, ang liliit, no? So, in fact, I just met
Oo
someone.
nga. Ayun.
Yun yung mga taong
Ako thumb lang.
Parang ang konti ng lunyo, Doc.
No?
parang pag sumasakit ang ulo niyan, yung mga ganyan. No? Kailang,
Thumb
um,
lang ako eh.
oo, relate
Nasa
mo.
thumb lang. Nasa thumb lang lahat yun sa...
So, kailangan na i-ano mo na, try mong ilabas siya. No? And also, yeah, pag gallbladder, ito yung mga tao na grabe yung ano ba to? Gallbladder is the exterior partner of the liver. So pag
liver.
meron kang mga one-sided headache, temporal headache, that's the gallbladder. Ang liver kasi sa tuktok ng ulo, no?
Mm.
And tingnan mo yung mga mata, okay? Di ba pag galit yung tao, even if naka-smile yung tao, you would know from the eyes that there is really an issue already, no? Or baka galit sa'yo, hindi lang nagpapakita. From the eyes, you can really see. Now, itong hun or
Yeah.
ethereal soul, this has something to do with our vision. Yung bang, okay, the aims, resoluteness, um, pwede siyang the metaphysical aspect of vision. Diba yung nakakakita ka? So, pwede mo rin sabihin na kung if you used to compose or if you used to write and wala ng ideas lumalabas, you may want to look at your liver. Okay? Okay. So, next, ito naman a little bit controversial. I'm not into this, but I'm sure si Miss Trix did a lot of research. Okay? It's about dream interpretation. Ano nyo maraming nakaka-relate? Can you tell us more about it po?
When the liver is
Ako
in
magaling ako sa
excess,
ganyan.
one dreams of
Sige.
being angry.
Okay.
Uh, when the liver is deficient, one dreams of very fragrant mushrooms.
Yes.
If the dream takes place in spring, one dreams of lying under a tree without being able to get up.
Okay.
This is in spiritual axis. When the liver is deficient, one dreams of forests in the mountains.
So would you like to live in the mountain?
Oh.
Okay, kung sa dream mo galit na galit ka, siguro let's do it this way, no? Excess and deficient. Okay. Kung sa bagay, you'll have fragrant mushrooms, you're in the forest. Di ba sa forest mo nakikita? Pero nasa bundok ka. Okay? Very deficient
But
yung
deficient pala pag sa mountains.
pag galit ka, excess na excess. Yun yung alam ko. Di ba minsan galit ka sa dream, yung
The
pala,
dream, yes.
yeah, excess ka. Meron kang ano. Of course, the most common excess issue in the liver is liver qi stagnation, no? Alam nyo ba, in your practice, as in, si 80 to 90% will come in with liver qi stagnation or
Stagnation.
liver excess.
Most
Mm-mm.
patients to.
Yeah, most patients. If
Yun
you
yung
can,
pinaka parang,
Mm.
palaging problem.
yes.
Hindi
Uh,
na gumagalaw.
kasi
Common.
paulit-ulit, no, yung stressor, no? Uh, Lalo nakikita mo yung mukha ng tao na pagalit ka ng pagalit. Um, nag-stagnate ka. Nag-stagnate yung chi. Okay? So pag nag-stagnate yung chi, ibig sabihin, hindi na dumadaloy yung dugo, no? Tumigil eh. So what
Mm.
happens now? The liver yin is already depleted or decreasing, and so it can no longer control the yang. Tama? So umiinit, no?
Mm.
Yeah, so yun. Umaakyat. And it can affect all organs, no? Kaya, I've tried it on, okay, I have to admit, last week I had
Mm.
patients. Yun yung ginamit ko sa kanilang lahat. They were very happy. Yung pala, stress na stress lang.
Mm.
Buti na lang hindi sila magkasabay sa isang ano kasi they might notice, ay bakit pareho yung ano. Yung ano, you try it, promise. The liver excess using the 4-point principle. You will come to know more about
Mhm.
it when we deal with diagnosis patterns, no? Um, memorize ko. You start with, ay naku,
Exciting.
pag tusok mo pa lang sa uh, pag-excess, no? Pag tinusok mo lang
Liver point
lung 8,
lang eh.
ay nako, magjo-jolt na kaagad. And then you middle lung 4, liver 4, and then you proceed to heart 8 again, heart 8, and then liver 2. Ay nako, grabe. Anyway,
Usually 30 minutes lang yung doc, diba? Or an hour. Or
ako
depends.
kasi may ginagawa akong protocol. I use the intradermals instead, no? So should you wish to order, you can
Mhm.
contact Miss AcuQuest. Okay,
Is
so
it parang Moxie?
no,
Yung
no, no.
parang,
Masyado siyang manipis, masyadong ano, and you need a tweezer. Alam ni ano to, ni Mama
ah,
Mercy.
Naka-twirl yung dulo, hindi imbis na diretso.
ah,
Mukha siyang thumbtacks.
oh.
Hmm.
Now let's go to the
Ayun
heart.
ang maganda sa yun.
Okay, Mom Trix, can you tell us about heart dreams?
Heart dreams when the heart is weak, one dreams of fires.
Okay.
If the dream takes place in summertime, it dreams of volcanic eruptions.
Mm-hmm.
And then when the heart is in excess, one dreams of laughing. When the heart is in ex excess, one dreams, oh sorry. When the heart is deficient, one dreams of mountains, fire and smoke.
Okay, so we can say pag kulang ka sa fire, you dream of fire. No? You got it.
Mm.
Pag masyado kang maraming fire, tawa ka ng tawa. Of
Tao
course.
ka.
No? We've seen people who laugh a lot. They talk a lot. No? Mm. So volcanic eruptions. May mga
Prawns.
eruptions naman kahit in summertime, no? Anyway, during summertime, if you dream of volcanic eruptions, you have a weak heart. Okay. Next, let's talk about the liver
Oh.
as a resolute organ.
Organ. If the liver function is healthy, it can give on a person resoluteness,
Okay.
indomitable spirit and courage.
Yeah, very good. Indomitable spirit and courage or drive.
So
So,
decisive
Ito na.
para kang army general who knows
yeah.
what to do, you know how to plan, no?
May determination and
Yes.
decisiveness.
Yeah. Okay. Nagko-comment kaya si Dr. Baka naninibago si si Dr. Terrence.
And
Okay, punta naman tayo sa spleen. You need to know these things kasi nga ito yung gagawin natin no?
yes.
Yun. Next. Spleen.
Spleen role is the granary official of the from the five tastes are derived.
Hmm.
Like the storehouse of food.
Okay. It connects with the stomach. It belongs to the middle burner. So think of the triple burner as like this, no? Yung lower burner will be the apoy. The middle burner would be the pot. And the upper burner would be yung saan lumalabas yung steam. Of course, there will be no steam pag walang apoy. Pag walang umiinit, no? But sadly, most people nowadays, hindi na maintain yung warmth ng middle burner. Kaya nagiging damp. Parating
That
hindi luto yung food, no? So, this is called the root of post-heaven chi. Ibig sabihin, this is where you get your energy or your chi from after you were born. So, ibig sabihin, ang root natin ng pre-heaven chi would be the kidneys,
the
right?
kidney.
But
Yes.
after you are born, it will now be the spleen. And it is very
Um,
important for producing chi and blood. Okay? Kaya parang inisip mo na rin, pag hindi mainit yung yung cauldron mo, yung pot mo. So,
hindi maluluto
wala
yung
ka rin, wala. Of course, you have nothing to eat.
sweet.
Raw, right? Chi and blood. What two organs are the root of post-heaven chi? Very easy.
Spleen and stomach.
Very good. Kaya we never forget the spleen and the stomach when we do acupuncture. Okay. Okay, let's now talk about the spleen.
Spleen
Function of the
functions. It governs transformation and transportation, controls the ascending of chi, controls blood, controls the muscles and forelimbs, opens into the mouth, manifests in the lips,
Hmm,
controls saliva, controls the rising of chi,
okay.
houses the intellect and affected by pensiveness.
Yeah. Spleen being a predominantly yin organ, for it to work, for it to kasi it's underpaid sinasabi dito spleen is overworked and underpaid. So you need to energize it, no? In order for it to be able to perform its functions. Kaya tinatawag itong granary official
Very
internal organs kasi dito nagpo-produce yung chi and blood, no? So it governs transformation and transportation. This would not happen if um, hindi warm yung environment mo. 'Di ba? What do people do nowadays? They drink cold
cold.
water, they eat fast, they eat while driving. What else? They drink, yeah, sweet. They eat sweets. They eat lots of dairy. Yung mga milk tea, di ba? Overkill.
Yes.
Dairy na, malamig pa. May sugar pa. Okay, so good luck, no? So definitely you will have weakening of the spleen, no? So you cannot expect your pagkain to be transformed in the stomach, right? And then makikita mo yan. Like if somebody wears, ngayon kasi iba-iba na yung kulay ng lipstick no? So a normal lip daw color would be pink. It cannot be red, cannot be black. No? It controls the racing of the chi and it houses your intellect, your thought, your sphere of thinking and studying. So if you overused it, if you study too much, then it will affect the spleen.
Mm.
Now let's go to dreams.
The dreams, if the spleen is deficient, one dreams of being hungry. If the dream takes place in the late summer, one dreams of building a house.
Okay, very good.
If the spleen is in excess, one dreams of singing and being very heavy. If
Yeah.
the spleen is
Mm.
deficient, one dreams of abysses in mountains and of marshes.
Okay. So pag gutom, wala talagang kinain yun. Wala siyang nourishment, no? Very good. Now, talk about spleen and thought.
Um, it's responsible for applied thinking, studying, memorizing, focusing, concentrating, and generating ideas. If the spleen is strong,
Hmm.
your your thinking will be clear, your memory is good, and capacity for concentrating is good.
Okay, very good. So, sabi nga nila, too much studying will make us dull din, no? Excessive studying. So, kailangan meron ka ring pahinga. And I think we should always emphasize the importance of not eating very fast, not eating irregular time,
Regular.
at pare-pareho, no? Um, can you imagine yung mga lifestyle ngayon, paggising, donut, or ano to?
Yes.
Cereals,
Okay.
o
Yes.
kape, tapos nagmamadali, mga ganun, no? So don't eat sweets, otherwise it will give you bad spleen chi. Kaya one classic symptom of spleen chi deficiency is fatigue, no? Kahit natulog ka na the whole,
If too much sweets,
yes,
Doc.
too much sweets, yes.
Uh,
Okay pa. Gusto
Oo.
mo na lang mahiga na mahiga, kumain ng kumain. Next, let's go to the influence of the spleen, heart, and kidney. You see, magkasabay talaga si heart and kidney.
kidneys.
Thinking and memory. Tell us more about it.
The spleen controls the studying, memorizing, and concentrating. The heart controls memory of distant past events or long-term memory, and the kidney controls memory of recent events or short-term memory.
Okay, very good. So kidney, a very classic example is nakalimutan mo yung susi mo or something or yung wallet mo. Pagdating mo sa kwarto, sabi, bakit ba ako nandoon? You don't know what you were
Kung
there.
makakalimutin ako, may problem ako sa kidney.
Imbalance lang, short-term memory. So
Of
ibig sabihin,
short-term.
kulang sa nourishment sa brain, no? Oh, you see, heart houses the mind, influences thinking. Okay? Our ability to think clearly when faced with life problems, and it affects long term. Kaya ibaon na yung past. 'Di ba, Ma Mercy? Oh,
Yes.
on na.
Healing all
Okay.
the
Mm.
way.
Hanap na ng bago. Pero wala tayong pinapatamaan.
Oh.
Let's go to lung function.
Lung functions governs the chi and respiration, controls channels and blood vessels, controls the diffusing and descending of chi, regulates all physiological activities, regulate water passages, controls the skin and space between the skin and muscles,
Okay.
manifests in the body hair, opens into the nose,
Mm.
controls the nasal mucus, houses corporeal soul,
Mm.
affected by worry, sadness, and grief.
Okay, very good. Um, the first thing that you should observe, no, 'di ba kinakausap mo yung pasyente. May mga pasyente kasi yung voice nila parang malungkot, no?
Parang may pinagdadaan.
Creepy.
Oo, parang may hugot. Oo. Saka
Mm.
meron din any comment, Dr. Terence? Let's hear from Dr. Terence. Wait lang ha, send ko lang yung link nung iba. Wait. Anyway, any comments? Tingnan niyo yung boses din ni ano. May kanino ba yung boses? Kay ano din kay mag-a-absent daw si Sir Walter. Parang ano
Mm.
siya. Ay, clinic pa pala si Dr. It's okay. Naku, nakonsensya tuloy tayo. Sige. At least nakikinig siya. Pati siguro pasyente nakikinig. Anyway, uh, yeah, this is very helpful because, and also you need to observe the strength of the voice. No? Doon mo makikita kung malungkot. Okay. Saka syempre pag namaos na, obviously, it's the lung. No? Next, dreams naman. Wow. Okay.
Mm. In dreams, when lungs are in excess, one dreams of weeping. If lungs are deficient, one will dream of white objects or about bloody killings. If the dream takes place in the autumn, one will dream of battles and war. In spiritual axis, when the lungs are in excess, one will have dreams of worry and fear, or crying and flying. If the lungs are deficient, one will dream of flying and seeing strange objects made of gold or iron.
Wow. Okay.
Hmm.
Interesting, no? Mm. Pwede na tayo mag-dream interpretation. Then pagising ko talagang may
Lagi ko
hair.
napapanaginipan yan.
Minsan pa naman
Yung
I wake up
umiiyak.
crying,
Which one? Which
Right,
weeping?
ako din.
weeping.
Oo,
Ano yan?
yung umiiyak.
Talaga?
Oh,
Pati yung boses nyo nga,
Hmm.
iiyak din.
Ganyan yung ano. Lagi ko mapapanaginipan yan. Flying, crying.
oo, ako
Okay.
din.
Ano, a very good point there
Hmm.
would be lung 5. Deal with the excess. Okay?
Oh.
Yeah.
Long 5.
Mm-mm. Naawakan nyo yung lung 5 nyo. Google nyo. Ay, bakit masakit yung lung 5?
Ay,
Okay.
yung sa may bandang ano yun.
Yeah.
Malapit sa elbow.
Yes. Okay, let's go to kidney. Mom tricks.
Kidney fluid stores the essence jing,
Mm.
referred to as the root of life or the root of pre-heaven chi.
Yeah, the root of life. No?
Root of life.
Actually, before maapektuhan ang kidney, naapektuhan na lahat ng organs. Gets nyo? Uh, kaya ano,
Mhm.
sa mga, ano to, sa mga elderly, you would usually see a mixed excess and deficiency. No? Kidney functions, again.
Stores the essence, governs birth, growth, reproduction, and development.
Okay.
Produces marrow, fill up the brain, and controls the bones. Governs water, controls the reception of chi, opens into ears, manifests in the hair, controls spittle, controls the two orifices, the anus and the external genitals, houses willpower, and controls the gate of life, or
Okay.
minister of fire.
Hmm. Okay. Brittle hair, parang kulang na lang sabihin, walang hair. Okay, sige lang. Tingnan mo kaagad yung hair.
The hair.
So, some may still have hair, but the color is gray. No? Yun. Okay.
Paano pag
Hmm?
pre-gray?
I'm
Pre-gray
sorry.
hair.
Gray hair.
Pag pre-gray hair.
No, actually, ang essence mo niyan, kulang na. Kasi you're not supposed to have gray hair when you're only in your 30s or 40s. Di ba? Tsaka una
Uh-oh.
talaga
I have
lumalabas yung
mga like 5 white hairs.
premature aging yung tawag.
I have
Kasi
40% of my hair is white na eh.
Oo, kasi
Nagkukulay lang ako.
hindi marami ka kasing iniisip din. Marami ka pang, talent.
oo, marami kang talent.
Parang na-absorb
Madami.
yung energy din ng iba, no?
Ayun.
Now, let's go to dreams ng kidney naman.
The dreams when the kidneys are weak, one dreams of swimming after a shipwreck. If the dream takes place in winter, one dreams of plunging in water and being scared. In spiritual axis, when the kidneys are in excess, one dreams that the spine is detached from
Mm.
the die body. When they are weak, one dreams of being immersed in water.
Yeah, very good. So parang feeling mo sirena ka, no?
Oh.
Yun yung nanaginip kasi. Yung pala deficient na yung ano, okay.
Hindi.
Ikaw yung sa ano, ay, ewan ko kung naabutan yung Man from Atlantis. O, di ba?
Nagkaroon na ako ng dream before na ganun eh.
Of
Mm.
course. Oo.
Oo.
Napaka-fragile nga ng ano mo, di ba?
Napanood ko yun.
Ay, oo, maganda yun.
Mm.
Kasi nauna pa. Anyway,
Mm.
there's something about Atlantis that is so ano, inspiring, no? That was my favorite
Yeah.
before. Okay, let's go
Yeah.
to
I
thank you so
recall.
much, Ma'am Trix. You did so well. And I hope you
Thank
have a
you.
punta naman tayo kay Ma'am Mercy. Um,
Okay po.
Bonsoir? Bonsoir.
Hello.
Okay.
Bonzoatsu.
Bo whatever. Yung afternoon, ano ba?
Parehas lang ng ano yun.
Bonsoir.
Uh,
Okay.
bonsoir is good evening.
Ano
Okay.
yung bon
Pag
week?
good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Bon.
Oo. Bonne nuit. Bonne nuit.
Yeah. Okay, let's go to pericardium. What did you
Okay po.
get about pericardium?
Uh, it says it's the master of heart, envelope of the heart, the zimbao, and connecting channel of the envelope of the heart, a zimbao loop.
So it's
Mhm.
like the protector, no? Mhm. And it connects with your triple burner or triple
Opo.
energizer. Okay. Now, ito naman, very important po ito, no? Kasi as early as now, we would like you to be very familiar with the correlations or the relationship of each organ to each other, to another, no? So a very common situation in the clinic is heart and lungs. Can you tell us more about it, Ma'am Mercy?
Yes. It says lung supplies qi to the heart for the blood to circulate, and qi can only circulate throughout the body by concentrating on the blood vessels. Qi as the commander of blood, and blood is the mother of qi.
Yeah, good.
So, malaki yung ano nila, yung
Okay. Pag heart,
connection nila.
yeah. So pag may problema yung isa, affected yung isa, 'di ba? So heart
Mm.
is blood, it governs blood, lungs govern the chi, no?
It's
And they have a very good mother and son Okay, tingnan nyo, mother of chi is blood,
ma-
pero ang chi ang nagko-command sa mother, no? So if you
yes.
good chi, that means gumagalaw, blood circulates. So if chi is stagnant, blood stagnates. Okay, this is the reason why we
Mm.
always consider chi stagnation and blood stagnation together. Both patterns will give you pain. So pag sinabi nating pain due to chi stagnation, yung pain mo, distending lang. Sa kapalipat-lipat. Minsan hindi mo na alam anong gagawin sa patient.
Mm.
No? Ang blood stagnation, yung pain niya naka-fix and it's stabbing, boring in character. As in, masakit siya. Okay, sa tongue naman, you don't see so much sa tongue pag may cheese stagnation. Pag blood stagnation, nako, makikita mo na talaga purple na siya. So if the blood stagnation is due to heat,
Mm.
it's reddish purple. Pag if the blood stagnation is due to cold, it's bluish purple. Okay? Another function
Oh.
din is chi will provide warmth to blood. No? Kasi pag walang warmth ang blood, ano siya, titigil siya, di ba? Hindi siya gagalaw. And the blood naman will
Mm.
provide a liquid vehicle for chi. Kasi you don't see the chi eh. It's very subtle, no?
Mm.
And then meron tayong tinatawag na gathering chi of the chest. We also call this the Zong Qi or the ancestral Qi. Ang nag-i-influence dito, both lungs and heart. So, di ba yung spleen, tinatransport yung food into Qi, right? And then, papadala niya yan kay heart
Yes.
para gumawa ng blood through the agency of the lungs. Kasi yung lungs naman, sabi nyo nga, control the chi and respiration. Supposedly, meron tayong oxygen dyan na i-inhale. So, ihalo mo yan doon sa
Mm.
subtle na food chi, then meron ka ng blood. No? Next, heart and liver.
And simple lang tong nasa akin. Liver nourishes the heart as the mother nourishing the child. Kasi si heart, si liver pala, of course, stores the blood.
Mm-hmm.
Kaya siya yung, si heart naman, and also meron din siyang, like the chi. Chi and blood at the same time. Kasi si heart yung nag-govern ng blood in the blood vessels. So, kailangan niyang i-nourish para gumana yung functioning ni heart.
Okay. So, ibig sabihin, pag
Yun.
meron kang liver blood deficiency, magkakaroon ka rin ng heart blood deficiency. Di ba? Oo. So, syempre, pag mahina yung supply ng blood, walang na-store ang liver, may kinalaman din dito yung isa pa, yung spleen. Di ba? Oo. Pero, since mas immediate ang
Magkakakutsaba.
liver pati heart, so pag mahina, sabi nga dito, if you have liver blood deficiency, this will lead to heart blood deficiency. Among women, this is very common because they will usually complain of scanty menstruation or no menstruation at all. And then, ang hindi lang yon, nagkakaroon din sila ng vision problems, no? Blurry vision. And so,
Comment sa akin yun.
oo, kaya isipin mo kaagad pag may liver blood deficiency,
Alam ko na yung problema
babae,
ko ngayon.
menstruation, and then may problema din yan sa pagtulog,
Liver
no?
blood.
Yung may heart blood deficiency, easy. And the liver, if the heart houses the Shen or the mind, the liver houses the ethereal soul, the Hun, our vision. No? Next, heart and kidneys. Okay, this is also very common. So we're done with
Heart.
heart and liver, heart and ano ba yung lungs, heart and kidneys naman.
Heart as a fire and water as the kidney, they interact together with each other and mutually nourishes each other. Heart yang descends to warm the kidney yin, and kidney yin ascends to nourish and cool the heart yang.
Yes, very good.
Yun. Tapos may kinalaman din siya doon sa mind, which is, kasi si Essence, si Jing, nourishes the, yung willpower pala, si Shui, ina-assist din niya si Shen para magkaroon sila ng balance, lalo na sa thinking and memory.
At saka
Doon sila nag-overlap.
Yeah, kailangan nila fire and water no? Si heart, kailangan niya kailangan yung heat niya bumaba kay kidney para hindi masyadong malamig si kidney. And then si kidney naman, kailangan niyang umakyat yung kanyang coolness para hindi mag-overheat si heart. Diba? Kaya if you see a red tongue,
Yes,
mahaba, alam na, no? Or ang tongue niya masyadong maputla, then ang lapad, then very wet. That could probably be a problem with the kidney, no? Hindi enough, I'm sorry, hindi enough yung heart lang. Hindi
yung
enough.
pag-descend.
Hindi nag-descend yung heat. Very good. Next, relationship between lung qi and liver blood.
Lung qi regulates blood to drive blood into the blood vessels. Liver blood provides moisture and nourishment to the lung qi to circulate properly.
Very good. So Lang Chi
So,
descend,
si Lang Qi, bababa. Opo.
si Liver Chi aakyat.
Lang Qi descends. Si liver, opo.
So yung bumababa, may umaakyat. Ganun lang. Punta naman tayo sa
Para maging maganda po yung circulation nila.
yes. Liver and spleen.
Okay. Parang naghihilahan silang dalawa. Para, yan. Liver qi helps the spleen to be able to transform, separate, and transport food and fluids. Liver qi helps the upward flow of the spleen. Spleen makes blood while liver stores blood.
Okay. Easy.
Ayun.
So kung mahina si spleen, walang blood, walang may store si liver, di ba?
Mm. Wala. Wala rin aakyat.
Pero
Kawawa si lungs.
kailangan din ang chi, free-flowing chi ng
Pero
liver.
kawawa din sila.
Mm-mm. Yeah, kailangan maganda din yung liver mo, maganda yung liver chi flow, free flow yung liver chi, para
Mm.
makatulong sa pag-transform and transport ni spleen. Give and take lang lahat, di ba? Next, liver and kidneys. Ito napaka-importante nito. Just like heart and kidneys, liver.
Liver blood nourishes and replenishes the kidney essence to produce bone marrow, which makes blood.
Okay. Every time na,
Mhm.
okay, let's face it, some of us or most of us are
Yun.
overworked.
And the kidney yin nourishes the liver, which
So, if you're overworked, nagkakaroon ka ng
Mhm.
yin deficiency, no? So, the liver blood will have to
Mhm.
fill in the kulang, no? Kasi sinasabi nga dito, ang liver blood will nourish and
Mhm.
replenish the kidney essence. Yun. Eh ngayon, parati ka ng stress. Kaya
Okay.
nadideplete na yung yin or yung liver blood, di ba? And at the same time, the kidney being the mother of the liver will have to
Mhm.
uh, provide the essence, no? Or the yin para okay si liver. So it's a mutual relationship. Kaya nakikita natin yung mga taong medyo may edad na, no? Mahina din yung liver. Okay?
Mhm. Oo.
Next, spleen and lung.
Aminado ko dyan.
Oo, relatable.
The spleen, the spleen extracts the refined essence of food and sends it up to the lungs where it combines with air to form gathering qi or the song qi. Spleen relies on the descending of lung qi to help in the transformation and transportation of food and body fluids.
Hmm.
Spleen is the origin of qi and the lungs are the axis of qi.
Okay. Yung mga may allergies, usually their spleen and lung qi are very deficient. They were born with it, no? And dito natin nakikita na
Oh.
pag mahina, the reason why some people have too much phlegm, it's not because they have lung problem. It's usually because the spleen is weak. The spleen is deficient, no? So yun. Pwede kang magka-phlegmas kahit okay yung lungs mo. Okay? Kasi ang spleen, pati si lungs, di ba, dinadala ni spleen ang food chi sa lungs. Eh ngayon,
Gucci.
kung mahina na, puro phlegm, so ang daming phlegm. Okay? Hihina din si lungs. Next, spleen and kidneys. Now, a very classic example here is when one has diabetic ka na nga pero may tigas pa rin ang ulo. Okay, go.
Yun. Post-heaven qi, or the spleen, continually replenishes the pre-heaven qi, the kidney, with the qi produced from the food, and pre-heaven qi assists in the production of qi by providing the heat necessary for digestion and transformation through fire of the gate of life.
Yes. So if you have kidney yang deficiency, definitely affected si spleen yang, 'di ba? Deficient din, 'di ba? Yun eh.
Mhm.
Ang kidney yang kasi, ito nagpro-provide
Wow.
ng heat para sa spleen, para ma-perform niya yung TNT niya. Okay? And then the spleen chi naman, tutulungan niya si kidney para sa transformation and excretion of fluids. However,
Mhm.
that will not happen if meron ka ng spleen yang deficiency. Magkakaroon ka ng swelling, magkakaroon ka ng dampness. Di ba? Hindi nag-excrete yung fluids.
Mhm.
Nag-retain ka ng fluids. Kaya nagmamanas.
So, edema po.
Edema, yes.
Ayun.
Now, let's go to spleen and heart.
A spleen chi transport food chi in the heart where it is transformed into blood. Heart blood nourishes the spleen. Descending of the heart chi helps the spleen's transformation and transportation of food essences.
Yeah, so the usual scenario would be spleen chi deficiency and heart blood deficiency. Ganun lang yun. So pag meron kang heart blood deficiency, how can you nourish the spleen? Diba? Mm. Kung meron ka namang spleen yang deficiency, the more hindi ka hindi ka makakagawa ng heart blood. Make sense? Mm. How does the lung govern
Makes
qi
sense.
and respiration?
Lung inhale pure chi and exhale dirty chi. Food chi from spleen is directed to the lungs where it combines with the inhaled air to form gathering chi, the song chi. After its formation, lungs spread chi all over the body to nourish all tissues and promote physiological process.
Okay, very good. Actually, all you have to do
Mm.
is listen to the strength of the voice. Kung walang kalatoy-latoy yung boses, most likely mahina ang lungs niyan. Next, what do we mean by dispersing and spreading the Wei Qi or defensive Qi?
Lung diffuse chi to the space between skin and muscles, where it forms defensive chi, the chi that protects the body from exterior pathogenic factors.
Okay, very good. So, kung may problema si Wei Qi, kung very deficient yung dispersing and spreading function ng Wei Qi, hindi magdi-disperse si Qi. So, magkakaroon ng bara, no? So, stuffy.
Mm.
Actually, makikita mo lang sa skin pa lang eh. Ako ina-analyze ko, bakit ba ito masakitin? Tingnan mo yung skin niya, very dry. Mhm.
Ah,
Yes.
walang wei chi.
Yeah. Or, masyadong basa yung kamay, no? So yun. Ibig sabihin, the pores are open. Can you imagine pag black yan, no? Kaya na stuffy nose, headache, sinus pressure.
Doc,
Kaya,
paano pag cold weather? Kunwari, tas dry skin ka lang kasi cold weather.
the more, the more.
The
Kasi
more
eventually, pag cold weather, tutulungan ka talaga ni Wei Chi. Dapat siya umaakyat.
yeah, okay.
Oo. Kasi kung cold weather na nga, meron ka pang dry skin. At the same time, mahina pa yung Wei Chi mo.
Mm.
So, you'll get the consequences.
Kaya nga that's the reason why hindi ka magsusweat to keep your skin warm.
Yeah.
Warm.
Mm.
Okay, what do you mean by descending function of the lung?
Lung descent chi to kidneys to harmonize breathing. Lung descends body fluid to the kidneys in return, evaporate the fluid and sends them back to the lungs where they moisten the lungs. Lung descends body fluid to the bladder where they are excreted as urine. Lung influences urination and lung chi deficiency may cause urinary problems. Mm.
Okay.
Wow. Sources
Yes.
of constipation.
So, pag
Okay,
hindi
malaki.
nagdi-descend,
Kasi,
yeah.
opo,
Kaya
lalo
tinawag,
na pag hindi na nag-descend,
o ubo ka,
mm,
kakaroon ka ng
pag
shortness
hindi
of breath.
umabot kay large intestine, ayun na.
Yes. And if you, I don't know if Some of you can
Opo.
relate to this. Let's say namatayan ka or you just were recovering from a failed relationship, no? Nagkakaproblema ka din sa pagdumi. Hindi ka maka-let go.
Ah, been there. Been
Okay.
there.
Yung
Been
iba
there.
yan.
Parang ayaw na lahat mag-function sa katawan.
What if,
Ayaw
kaya
na nga lahat mag-function sa ayaw na
wala na.
bumangon. Ayaw,
Kaya dapat,
wala
hindi,
na.
oo. Ah, so yun, kailangan mo talagang mag-inhale, exhale eh. You know, if you know diaphragmatic breathing, or you can use
Oh.
what's this? The point zero, the diaphragm point, and you'll feel a lot better. So para bang, okay, erase na natin yung past. Move on na.
Mm.
New chapter na naman.
Nawala. Oh
Next,
no.
what do you mean by spreading of body
Mm.
fluids?
The diaphragm.
Yeah, spreading of body fluids, function ng lung.
Okay. Diffuses body fluids to the space between the skin and muscles and forms sweat. Descending body fluids to the kidneys and bladder and promote urination. Pag
Okay.
hindi, edema.
Yes, edema in the face. Nakita niyo yung isang artista no na ano, may lung problem.
Marami, may ganyan ako minsan.
Ako din.
Pagising ko sa umaga,
Ang
namumugto
laki-laki ng
yung mukha
mukha.
ko.
Okay,
Mm.
next. What do you mean by lung control of skin and body hair?
Okay. Lung diffuses qi and fluids to the skin, giving a luster and moisten the body hair and becomes glossy and healthy.
Okay.
Siya kasi yung siya din yung nagnanourish.
Mm-mm. Yeah, you also
Wow.
look at the body hair.
Ayun.
Okay, lung opens to the nose. What does it mean?
Lung opens to the nose through which breathing occurs. Each of breathing through the nose and sense of smell depend on the status of the lungs.
Okay. Kaya pakinggan
Ayun.
niyo yung
Kung
clarity ng voice, yung strength, yung tone. Kailangan kasi parang sa bell eh. Alam niyo yung sa bell, yung talagang emphatic yung pagtunog, no? Ayaw ng lungs ang cold. Kaya if you happen to have dry skin, you're actually so predisposed to welcome mo yung pathogenic factor, no? Yun. Kaya nagkakaroon ka ng loss of smell, sinus pressure, sneezing. Next, lung is ruled by Blanc.
wala po akong sagot.
The corporeal
Nakalimutan ko yata.
soul. The corporeal soul.
Oh.
Wait lang ha. This is the physical
Ah.
counterpart of the
Kay liver, ethereal soul eh. Si lung, large steam. Oh, ba't nawala siya? Kalimutan ko sagutan.
So yun. Corporeal soul, ito po yung physical counterpart ng Hun. Physical.
Oh, si Hun.
Okay, the lung manifests in blanc and opens into the blanc, filling the blanks.
Manifest in body hair and opens into the nose.
Very good. Okay, ano po yung fluid na nasa caused by the lung?
Ay. Wala din pala akong sagot dyan. Ano ba yun? Sorry po.
Nasal mucus.
So,
Di ba? Yun. Nasal mucus.
hindi naman kasi.
This is the answer.
Pwede rin. Ay,
Snivel.
di ko siya nalagyan.
Yung mga parang ano, tulo.
Oh,
Yung pag umiyak ka, lumalabas.
yung
Yung nasal mucus.
yung
Yan. Di ba pag umiiyak ka, pati ano lumalabas sa ilong. Di ba lumabas?
umiiyak din sa ilong.
Which is so embarrassing, di ba? Okay. Associated body part ng lung. Your last question.
Okay. Associated body parts are the large intestine, the skin, the body hair, and the nose. Oh,
Skin
skin
lang.
pala.
But anyway, we
Skin
consider
lang.
the skin as the third lung. Okay naman yung sinabi mong iba. Kasi that's actually the lung system, no? Mm. Wala kasing
Mhm.
edge yung body part eh. So, pinaka closest answer would be skin. Thank you so much, Ma'am Mercy.
Wow.
Take care of your
Okay
lung.
po. You're welcome po. Opo.
Okay. Tawagan kaya natin si Miss Sit-In. Nakita ko si Miss
Ah,
Sit-In. Miss Sit-In? Parang kilala ko si Miss Sit-In.
marami na kami.
Marami na. Yung iba wala. Okay. Siguro we have to go back to you, Ma'am. Mark John Thomas. Would you like me to call you Mark?
Hmm.
Ay, alam ko mga ano to. Sit in, sit in. O sige, at least marami tayo. Anyway, let's go to Mom Tricks.
Mhm.
41, make it 41 to 80.
41. Okay.
Okay, lungs help produce phlegm.
Defensive chi.
No,
Body fluids.
Hindi.
the
Gathering.
gathering, the gathering or
A
zongchi.
gathering ba? Wait, wala.
Kasama si
Mm.
heart, di ba? Mm-mm.
Mm.
Next, ano yung
Gathering.
process of creating zongchi?
Uh, the
Ano ang
spleen sends
nangyayari?
food.
Yes,
The spleen sends food chi up to the lungs, where it combines with the air and is transformed into gathering chi.
yes. And how would you know if the zongchi is not good? When you make lamano, what do you observe with the hand?
The
It,
hands, it's cold.
yeah, very good. Very good. Lung is also known as, you can have a lot of
Yes.
Fei.
upper source of water. It is also known as the lid of the organs. Nasa taas kasi siya.
Oh,
Upper source of water.
uppers or
Kaya ayaw na ayaw nilang ng dryness. What is diffusing and descending of chi?
Oh, okay.
it's the proper entering and exiting,
Interesting.
ascending and descending of chi.
Okay, when you say diffusing, it goes up and
Oh,
out, descending down and in.
Down
Daming arte, no?
downward
Ayun,
movement.
descending, downward
Mm.
and in.
and out.
Okay. Okay, what is the relationship of lung with water passages?
Uh, the lungs regulate water passages by spreading fluids all over the body through mist.
Okay. Upwards to the head and face, outwards to the so-called
Mm-hmm.
coolie. I don't know if I pronounced
Coli,
it right. Coolie,
coli.
coolie. Okay. And then downwards to the kidney and bladder. So grabe pala talaga yung distribution niya ng fluid. No? Do you know where the coolie is? Between the skin
It's
and muscle.
between yes.
Mm-hmm. Sa
Next.
subcutaneous.
Kaya
Yeah.
napansin nyo, pag pinainom mo na maraming tubig, naiihi, nag-i-improve din yung phlegms niya, yung lungs niya. Diba? Okay.
Mm.
The relationship of the lung with the chi mechanism. What does
Control
chi?
controlling the ascending, descending, entering and exiting of chi. Should
Okay.
be both smooth.
Okay. Spleen. What is the government seat ng spleen? You mentioned it earlier.
Granary.
Yes. Main functions. Main lang ha, main.
Uh, transformation and transportation
Okay.
of
And
food.
there are two.
Controls blood.
Yeah. To the muscles and the forelimbs. Okay. Fill in the blanks. Spleen manifests in blank and opens in the blank.
Manifests in the lips and opens in the mouth.
Wow. Spleen likes blank and loads blank.
Spleen likes dryness and loathes dampness.
Very good. Spleen. What is the
Fluid
fluid
is
in spleen?
saliva.
Specifically thin saliva. So pag
Thin,
naging thick yan, dampness na
Mm.
yan.
thin saliva, Doc.
Mm-mm.
Mm.
Emotion ng spleen.
Pensiveness.
Yes. Associated body part ng spleen.
Uh, Muscles and limbs.
Okay. The flesh, the muscles. Kung nakita mo, wala namang muscle, puro taba na. What does spleen transform and transport? O, di
Food
ba?
and water.
Detail na detail, di ba, Ma'am Mercy? Be prepared, Ma'am Mercy, 81 to
Opo.
108. Okay.
Alam. Sige po. Sige
Sige.
po.
What does spleen transform and transport?
Food and water.
Okay. Water and grain,
Yung,
and sends their clear essence up and the turbid essence down. Okay, this is what happens. Diba sa spleen, due to transform and transport, diba? So, yung food chi,
Mhm.
um, hinihiwalay pa yun. Yung
Yes.
clear sa turbid. Siyempre, yung clear,
Mhm.
masyadong magaan, aakyat yun sa lungs. Yung turbid naman, mabigat, bababa
Bubble
yun sa...
descend.
What's the next, after the stomach?
Small
Small intestine.
intestine.
Sa small intestine, hihiwalayin na naman ni small
Right.
intestine ang pure from
Clear.
pure. Tapos yung pure, ibabalik na naman
Mm.
sa lungs, pabalik-balik. Tapos pababa ng pababa. Okay? So yon. Where does the spleen send the clear essence to?
The lungs.
Lung and heart, no? Where it
Uh,
helps produce blood and chi. Okay? Lungs first, then sa heart, para mag-create ng blood and chi. Next. What is the spleen's function with chi?
Spleen chi ascends to send chi, food essences and fluids up to the
Okay.
lung.
Always goes up. Kaya
Up.
pag meron kang spleen chi deficiency, nagkakaroon ka ng loose stools pababa, saka may nagsisink. So that's very, very concerning. Okay? Kailangan pataas siya. What is the importance of spleen chi?
Transforms and transports food chi
Okay.
and holds blood.
Yeah. Para hindi ka magkaroon ng prolapse. It lifts up and holds the internal organs in place.
Raises the organs.
Yes. Kaya pag may prolapse ka, the first thing you should think of
Oops.
is spleen chi
Oh, wow.
thinking, spleen chi
Yeah.
deficiency. What is the spleen's function with blood?
No,
Controls
kamawala.
the blood. Makes the blood from food chi.
Okay. Para hindi siya mag-leak, no? Helps produce blood. Spleen is also known as...
mali yung answer ko.
Anong answer mo? Huwag ka na mahiya.
E. In
Root
Chinese
of
term.
post-heaven chi. Next, what does the spleen nourish? O, di ba? Detail na detail talaga yung lecture natin.
Ay, wala akong answer
Ay,
doon.
in-answer mo na kanina.
The blood. Sorry.
Muscles and limbs.
Muscles and limbs. Ba't ako
That is
walang
why,
answer?
tingnan mo. Pero tingnan mo yung muscles ni Ma'am Mercy. Very toned.
Oo nga, nakakaingit.
Pero yung lungs ay mahina. Okay, limbs. Next, the spleen houses the blank.
Intellect.
Yes, the E. What is the color? Ay, Diyos ko naman, baka obvious.
Red.
Okay.
Red.
What is the taste of the heart?
Bitter.
Yeah. What does the heart govern and house?
Blood and mind.
Oh, only, yeah, okay. Blood and mind. Very good. What bodily fluid does the heart control?
Sweat.
Yes. Kaya if you sweat a lot, think of the heart.
May problem sa heart. Ganun
What
ba
does
yun?
the heart control?
Blood and blood vessels.
Okay. So, tinan mo yung mga ugat sa kamay ng pasyente. Pag naglalabasan na, most like, ano na yan, ha? Okay. Where does the heart manifest?
In the face.
Complexion. In what
Complex.
two ways does the heart govern the blood?
Transformation of food chi into the blood takes place in the heart. The heart is responsible for the circulation of blood.
Okay. What are the necessary conditions for good blood circulation?
Uh, Abundant heart chi and abundant blood.
And smooth
Smooth vessels.
vessels. If heart blood is abundant, how is the pulse?
Moderate and forceful.
No, it cannot be forceful. Pag forceful siya, excess na yan. Ha?
Moderate.
Pwede. Smooth and regular. You have to take note of the regularity of the rhythm. Okay? If heart blood is deficient, how is the pulse?
Ready and weak.
Yeah, thready or weak and choppy. Parang signal ng ano minsan.
Choppy.
Define the heart houses the Shen in a broad sense.
It refers to the validities, the external appearances of the life activities of the human body as a whole, such as the whole image of a person, eye expression, speech, physical and verbal
Yes.
responses, body movements, and posture. It also encompasses the mental and spiritual phenomena of all the organs,
Wow.
notably the yin
Um,
organs.
it's the overall ano, parang, di ba
Overall,
makikita mo talaga ano yung Shen niya? Parang, di ba may mga tao talaga na parang may off, no? So, isipin mo, tingin ka kaagad sa dila. Okay, in a narrow sense, what does the heart houses the Shen mean?
refers to the mind housed in the heart, refer to the workings of the mind, consciousness and thoughts. Heart functions by receiving information from the exterior.
It actually includes sleep as well and memory. Okay. How do you know if the heart and blood are strong and abundant? This is so important.
Uh, the pulse is full and smooth.
Hindi lang yun. Emotional life mo balance, hindi ka na depressed ng matagal. Oh, di ba? Ouch. Normal mental activity, normal mental activity, clear consciousness, good memory, keen thinking, and good sleep. Okay? So yo. Kasi 'di ba pag hindi balance yung emotional life mo, very disturbed ang sleep. Okay?
Yes.
So check your heart pulse. How do you know if the heart and blood are weak and deficient? So opposite,
Choppy.
yeah.
Cho-
May mga mental, emotional problems. Kaya nga, if you check the pulse of someone na ganito, especially the heart pulse, mag-feel, ay bakit siya parang weak and deficient? May mga ano yan, may mga hugot yan. Or poor memory, dull thinking, insomnia. Okay? So pagbalik ka doon sa hugot, sometimes they will not admit it eh. So you have to have a technique to make them really, ano, ay nako, you do 224 and GB13, sasabihin niya lahat yung totoo.
Oh.
Ay nako, do you know that? Ano, Ma'am Mercy? Ay nako, it's
Okay.
effective. Do 24 and the GB13. All you can do lang sa iyo,
GB13.
sasabihin niya lahat. You
Noted.
don't have to use your powers. What does a pale complexion indicate? Well, I didn't say anything, huh? Okay.
uh,
Mm-hmm.
Heart blood deficiency.
Okay. Heart chi deficiency or heart blood deficiency. What does a purplish dark complexion indicate?
Heart heart blood stasis.
Okay. Could be heart chi stagnation or heart blood stagnation. So how are you going to differentiate? Titingnan mo yung dila niya. Kung purple na, that's
Mm-hmm.
definitely blood stagnation. Saka meron siyang pain na talaga ang tagal na niyang iniinda. Okay? What does a red complexion indicate?
Heart heat.
Very good. Tinan mo rin yung what will you find in the tongue as well?
Um,
Tip is red.
Red.
What are the main functions of the liver?
Stores blood, ensures the smooth flow of chi, controls the
Very
sinews.
good. And the last one, the government seat of the liver.
The general.
Yes. Thank you so much, Ma'am Trix. I hope you had fun.
Thank
Very
you,
good.
Dad.
Excellent research. Sino ba iba dito? Mukhang walang ganang magsalita. Okay, tapusin na natin, Ma'am Mercy.
Okay po.
Yeah, I'm sure you're ready. Before we wrap
Bawing-bawing.
thing now. Liver,
Bawing-bawing ako. Okay,
fill in the blanks. Liver manifests in blank and opens to the blank.
liver manifests in nails and opens to the eyes.
Okay. Ano yung tinatawag sa fluid na nasa liver pag nagalit ka?
Ay, I don't know, maliban sa bile.
Tears.
Oh, tears.
Mm.
Ay, oo nga pala
Pag
kasi it
stress ka,
controls
di
the
ba
tears
napansin
na.
mo yung tears mo tumutulo. So iba din yung
Mm.
snivel. Yung snivel naman parang ano, sa ilong.
Okay. Kaya
Okay?
pala,
Kasi sa eyes eh. Eyes are the exit point
at
ng liver,
ng
remember? So
liver.
yung tears sa liver yan. Di ba pag ano, kahit galit ka, naiiyak ka sa galit. Okay,
Naiiyak sa galit.
body part or tissues associated with the liver.
Tendons, ligaments, nails, and eyes.
Okay, the sinews.
The sinews.
What is meant by free coursing?
Dok, hindi ko alam. Hindi, wala akong nahanap.
Ito na, dispersing, scattering, yan lang ba? Ulit-ulit lang. Discharging,
Oh,
releasing, loosening. Pag loosening up, parang go lang, hindi tight, no? Okay,
ah,
liver, relationship with blood.
okay. Liver stores blood, regulates volume of blood, regulates menstruation, and moisten the eyes and sinews.
Very good. Relationship ng liver with the sinews.
Liver moistens and nourishes the sinews.
Okay, ang food chi nag-enter sa stomach, tapos
Mhm.
in essence is sent to the liver, tapos yung surplus ng essence pinapadala sa sinews to nourish them. Okay,
Mm.
tell us about the pathologies of the hun or the ethereal soul.
Okay, pag impaired siya, giving rise to the emotional frustration, depression, or repressed anger accompanied by such physical symptoms as hypochondrial or abdominal distension, a feeling of oppression in the chest, and sensation of a lump in the throat. In women, it may give rise to the premenstrual tension, including depression, irritability, and distension of breast. This is a reciprocal relationship. Restrained liver function will lead to emotional tension and frustration, and a tense emotional life characterized by frustration or repressed anger will impair the liver functions and lead to a breakdown of the smooth flow of qi.
Do you talk in
Yun.
your sleep?
Yes.
Me too. Sabi natin yung pathology sa hun.
Yes, I don't snore, pero I talk in my sleep.
Ako nagle-lecture sa sleep. Sabi no. Okay, importance ng kidney po.
Root of life, it stores gene essence.
Okay. Kidney yin, what is it?
Kidney yin. It's the primary yin, uh, foundation of all the yin energies of the body, in particular that of the liver, heart, and lungs. Kidney yin is the fundamental substance for birth, growth, and reproduction.
Kidney yang.
Kidney yang, or the primary yang, as the foundation of all the yang energies of the body, in particular that of the spleen, lungs, and heart.
Hmm.
Kidney yang is the motive force for all physiological process.
Wow. Okay. Essence.
Essence. Um, Essence govern birth, growth, reproduction, and development, and is derived from the parents and established at conception. This essence
Hmm.
determines our basic constitution, hence the description of the kidney as
Okay. So napaka-importante ng essence, 'di ba? Okay. Please explain the kidney functions, produces marrow, fills up the brain, controls bones.
ayun. The substance in which is the common matrix of bones, bone marrow, brain, and the spinal cord. Yung
Okay.
ends.
So basta ano, if you have a problem with the bone, what will you treat? Will you treat the liver? Will you treat the kidney? Will you treat the heart, the spleen, or the lungs?
It's the kidney po.
Yeah, very good. Okay, can you explain? Ano po ito? Governs water. Kidney governs water.
Govern, since kidney belongs to the water and they govern the transportation and transformation of the body fluids in many different ways. Yun. Ang dami na.
Okay. Controls the reception of chi. Wala. Hello, madam. Wala kayong sound. Baka nabibingi ako. Hello?
Kidney cannot hold
Yeah.
chi down. It rebels upward, creating congestion in the chest, resulting breathlessness and asthma.
Okay. Kaya pwede natin sabihin, pag mayroon kang chronic asthma, ang root cause yan talaga is the kidney, no? Hindi niya
Mm.
ma-anchor yung chi, right?
Oh.
Yes, now you know. Yung iba
Kaya
naman,
pala,
hmm,
meron po akong kaibigan na asthmatic tas may kidney failure.
yes. If you have kidney failure,
Makes
definitely, hindi niya ma-anchor yung chi ng lungs. So, ubo siya ng ubo or nagkakaroon siya ng wheezes, asthma.
mm,
Now you know. So we're
mm,
barking at the wrong tree. Do you know now, Ma'am Trix?
ay,
Mm.
hindi pala dapat puro lungs ng
Yes,
lungs.
Doc.
Now you know why yung mga medyo maedad na. Yung iba naman sinasabi wala daw silang um asthma
Mm.
ever since. And then biglang nagka-asthma. Kasi nga
Paano, Doc,
matanda.
yung mga may kidney failure pero walang asthma?
Yes.
Paano
Okay, ano
yun?
namang ibig sabihin?
I
Yes,
mean,
kidney failure pero walang asthma. It's not really
Asthma,
asthma. Mahina lang talaga yung kidney. It can
kidney
also
failure.
cause asthma. Okay. Open to the ears.
okay, the kidneys open into the ears. If the kidneys are healthy, the ears can hear the five sounds. If the kidneys are weak, hearing may be impaired and there may be tinnitus.
Very good. Ay, ayoko to. Manifest on the hair. So,
Mm,
okay.
magagawa natin paraan yan, Dok.
Ay
The
talaga?
kidneys,
Meron kang pa. Okay, sige.
the kidneys nourishes the hair. Thin, brittle, dry, dull, prematurely gray hair may indicate kidney deficiency. Remember that the liver blood also influences the hair. So, meaning dalawa pala. So,
Yes.
ayusin na liver blood sa kidney.
Hmm.
Interesting.
Parang lahat na may problem.
Okay.
Alam na.
Check
Parang
the.
lahat ay kailangan may problem. Lahat ng
Yeah.
organs.
Okay.
Connect kasi.
Kidney function controlling the two lower orifices. What are the two of lower orifices?
Yun. The front orifices and the lower orifices includes the urethra and the spermatic duct in men. The rear orifice is the anus.
Okay.
Yon. The deficiency of kidney chi or kidney essence may cause spermatoria
Hmm.
or nocturnal emissions. In conclusion, kidney chi is essential for the normal functioning of all the lower orifices, and a deficiency of kidney chi will induce a leaking of each orifices. Yun,
Wow.
kaya meron siguro
Teto.
incontinence, mga ganun.
Ano naman tong gate of vitality or Mingmen?
Wow. The kidneys are not really two. Sala. As the left kidney is a kidney proper and the right kidney is the gate of life, which is the Mingmen. The gate of life is the residence of the mind, Shen, and is related to the original Qi, the Yuan Qi. In men, it stores essence, or the Jing. In women, it is connected to the uterus. This is why there's only one kidney.
Wow. Wala akong masabi. Okay, punta naman tayo ng root of original or Yuan Qi.
Yun. The original Qi relies on heat for its performance, and this heat is provided by the gate of life. If the fire of the gate of life is deficient, original Qi will suffer and will inevitably lead to a general deficiency of Qi and blood.
Okay. For the benefit of those na medyo gusto nang malaman saan yon, you needle do for, no? O, asan na dito si Mr. RKB? Pinaano ko kasi. Dalawa itong Mark dito. Sir Mark, ikaw ba yan? Sir Mark Mercado? Natutulog din yata. Itong si Mark Chan. Naku, baka bagong estudyante to. Hindi ko tinatawag. Hindi na natin i-disturb si Dr. Terrence. Oo, kasi nagda-drive yata. Yeah, mukhang garbled din yung ano niya. Okay lang, Doc. Next time, bawi kayo. Okay. Yeah. So,
Going.
do 4 and bladder 23. You look for the do 4. You need to do 4 on both ears
Opo.
or governing vessel 4.
Sa likod yun ng ears eh.
Yes.
Before.
Actually, kung tutusukin mo, kung gusto mo ng body, tusukin mo yung pusod mo, lalabas tuloy-tuloy yon do 4. Gusto mo i-try? Ano ba, di kumikibo yung iba?
I
Oo.
see.
Ako try ko next time.
Try mo. Hindi. Pag medyo maliliit yung mga bewang, madali lang, di ba? Ano mo sa pusod mo, sa likod, ano yan, do?
Ano yung isa, Doc? Do for end.
Bladder 23. Both, yeah.
Needle.
Ay, nako,
Oh.
so effective. Kung may low back pain, you also include bladder 40 and bladder 57. Pero sabi nga nila, less is more. Konti-konti lang. Kung nawala naman yung pain, edi sabi kasi ni Doktora Palangka, mga 7 to 8 lang on one side. That's the maximum. Kasi if you put in too many needles, parang overkill. Okay. Source of fire. Ano ibig sabihin nito? Source of fire for all organs.
Source of... Saan po tayo?
Number 100. We're almost...
Number 100. Okay. The importance of fire, nature of the gate of life, is that it provides heat for all our bodily functions and for the kidney essence itself. Minister fire is a special type of fire that is not only it does not extinguish water, but it can actually produce water.
Wow. Okay. Ano naman to? Function ng gate of vitality warms the lower burner and bladder. Alam mo, ang problem nito, yung iba nalalamigan na, so nawawala na yung fire. Okay, what do we mean by this? What happens if the fire is weak?
The lower burner transforms and excretes fluids with assistance of the bladder. The heat of the gate of life is essential to transform fluid in the lower burner. If the gate of life is weak, the lower burner and the bladder will lack heat necessary to transform fluids. This will therefore accumulate, giving rise to the dampness or edema.
Wow. Okay. Warms the stomach and spleen to aid digest. O, tinan mo, may kinalaman yung fire of gate of vitality. So pag mahina kasi yung yung digestion, pwede mong ayusin, lagyan mo ng heat, do 4, bladder 23, or kidney 7. Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Heat essential to the spleen for its functions and transportation, separation, and transformation. All this requires heat supplied by the gate of life. If the fire of the gate of life is deficient, the spleen cannot transform and the stomach cannot digest the food, leading to diarrhea, tiredness, feeling of cold, and cold limbs.
Okay. The ability of the gate of vitality to harmonize the sexual function and warm the essence.
The fire of the gate of life is essential for a healthy sexual function and to warm the essence and the uterus. The fire of the gate of life, or the minister fire, could be seen as the young aspect of the essence. Sexual performance, fertility, puberty, and menstruation all depend on the fire of the gate of life. If the fire of the gate of life declines, the essence in men and in the uterus in women will turn cold, causing impotence and sterility in men, and lack of sexual desire and infertility in women.
Wow, very well said. Completo. Okay. Assist the kidney function of reception of qi.
The function of reception of qi depends on the kidney yang, which requires the fire of the gate of life for its performance. For kidney yang to function normally, there must be a communication between the gathering qi or the song qi of the chest and the original qi, the yuan qi of the lower abdomen, which itself relies on the heat from the gate of life of its activity. If the fire of the gate of life is deficient, the kidney's ability to receive qi will be impaired, causing breathlessness, asthma, and feeling of oppression of the chest and cold hands.
Okay. So we can also do for
For
aside from kidney 7. Kidney 7 kasi is the
mm.
tonification point ng kidney. You can also use kidney 3. No?
Oh,
Ay,
noted.
ang ganda ng effect niya. Saka tingnan nyo yung mga nagki-kidney failure. Tingnan nyo sa may kidney 3 area, medyo payat na siya.
Mm.
O tingnan
May
nyo, ang
yun nga
daming
po kilala,
function ha. It
yung
assists,
kilala,
yes.
yung kilala ko may kidney failure na may asthma, ganun po ang itsura na.
So ngayon matutulungan mo na, ibalik mo na yung mga heat niya.
Tapos may ano pa siya, yung allergy sa katawan, grabe. Siguro sobrang weak talaga. Okay, 105. The fire of the gate of life has to ascend from the kidneys and communicate with the heart to provide it with the heat necessary for its functions. Because of this, the fire of the gate of life assists in the heart in housing the mind. This means that the fire of the gate of life has a strong influence on the mental state and happiness. If the fire of the gate of life is deficient, the heart cannot house the mind and the person will be depressed, unhappy, lack of vitality,
Yeah.
and vice versa. If the minister fire of the gate of life becomes pathological from the emotional problems, for example, it flares upward, harassing the heart and the pericardium.
Okay. Ask kaya natin si Ma'am Trix to press her lower back kung malamig or mainit.
Lower back.
Yes, I'm sure malamig yan.
Ako din.
Ano ba? Normal.
Ay, normal. Ay,
Ako,
denial siya. Okay. Sige.
ako
Hindi.
malamig ang likod.
Let's
Hindi
go.
naman
Ay,
siya
nag-okay na siya.
normal.
Nakapon na. Very good. Congrats.
Yes.
Ay, oo
Healing
nga,
speed.
mukhang normal na kasi ang galing na sumagot. Okay, let's go to the kidney functions in summary.
Ayun. In summary, uh, kidney stores the essence and govern birth, growth, reproduction, and development, and it produces marrow, fills up the brain and control bones, govern water, control the reception of chi, open into the ears, manifest in the hair, control spittle, control the two lower orifices, house the willpower seat, control the gate of life, the minister fire or the mingmen.
Wow, kompleto. Thank you so much, Ma'am Mercy Dita.
Kasi last time po, hindi talaga ako nakasagot eh. Maski isa
Oo
ngayon
nga,
lang
grabe.
bawi-bawi.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci beaucoup.
Okay.
Dorian.
Mukhang mga tao
Parang
to gusto
gutom.
na yatang umuwi na talaga. Parang gutom na. Okay?
Ay, hindi. Hindi na ako
Oo,
kumakain ng gabi.
oo nga. Kausapin naman
Kasi
kaya natin si Mark. Sir Mark, are you from in RKB now? Sumasagot. Di ba
baka
ito
may
si
work.
Mark na ano? Oo nga
Yeah,
siguro. Sige, di bale
or
na. Sino
driving.
kaya ito si Mark John Thomas? Ay, biglang nawala sila.
Nawala.
Anyway, so
Andiyan
see
si,
you
ano, si
all.
Dennis, oh.
Ay, oo, si Sir Dennis. Hello, Dennis. Show your face to the public. It's a miracle. Ay, wow. Ay,
Hmm.
Dr. Terence. Oo. Bakit na doon na kayo magsalita? Nasa condo, nasa bahay na kayo.
Doc, driving doc.
Mga
Ay,
10 minutes
driving pa
ko lang.
rin. Ah, okay. Mhm. Tininan namin yung
Hmm.
ano mo, you're a surfer pala. Grabe. So siguro, sana all. Okay.
Oo nga, sana all.
Mhm. Dr. Terence,
Yeah,
sa Monday ha, attend ka. Ikaw yung una-unang sasagot, 1 to
sa
30.
Monday. Okay.
Oo. Thank you, Doc.
Thank you
So,
rin, Doc.
I hope everybody got that. Hello,
Daming
Sir
natutunan.
Danny. Ay, ang dilim-dilim. Okay. So, maraming salamat po sa lahat and I hope to see you on Monday.
Legendary Mercy.
See you
Thank you
tomorrow.
so much.
Thank you,
Mercy.
Doc.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank
Doc.
you.
Thank
Good
you,
night.
Doc.
Thank you,
Bye.
Doc. Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you po.
Thank you,
Thank
everyone.
you.
Bye-bye.